Now that looks a lot better. You got all those beautiful roses. Excuse you, you little turkey. Look at that, eh?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. We got puppies in there. Yes, we do. We got little cutie pies. Nice. Hello, my darling. Hello. And some back there sleeping. Yep, some over there playing. Yeah. Hello, babies. That looks so great, those roses. I cut that tree back, and it looks so much better. Yeah. Yeah. There's our nice little herb garden. And there, Kimmy put our nice more roses. Gorgeous little roses. And there's our lettuce, tomatoes, cherry tree. Good. Lots of work.